Hi, I'm Joseph Piper of Granite Trademark Services, and I'm here today to talk about selecting the proper goods and services in a trademark application. As part of the trademark application process, trademark owners are required to identify all the goods and services they want covered in their federal registration. Now, a simple example of this would be if Pepsi wanted a trademark registration, which they do have, for soda and related products, they would list soda, cola, and all the related products that they want covered in their registration. Now, what confuses many trademark applicants is that there are 45 different classes of goods and services, and for each good or service class that is identified, you need to file a $225 fee with the USPTO to have the application processed. So let's break that down a little bit. If you're a t-shirt company and you sell your own t-shirts as a brand and you want a trademark application for that and a registration, you would file in class 25 for t-shirts. Now, let's say in addition to selling t-shirts, you sell them on your own website, on your own online store. Well, that's considered online retail store services, which is in class 35. So in that one application, you have t-shirts and online retail store services, and they're in two different classes. Thus, the USPTO will require a $225 fee for the class 25 goods and a $225 fee for the class 35 services. Now, some trademark applicants would choose to have two separate applications since they're going to be charged either way. Some would just put them together. That is a trademark filing decision. That strategically based, you can counsel a lawyer or figure it out on your own how you want to approach it. Another thing that confuses trademark applicants is the amount of goods and services listed for any product. So for example, let's go back to t-shirts. You can select shirts, t-shirts, tops, compression t-shirts, moisture wicking t-shirts, sun block t-shirts. There are all kinds of different t-shirts. And let's say that you sell them all. Now, some people think that you should just do the broad category. So rather than listing all the individual types of t-shirts, like athletic t-shirts, you should just do the broad category. So just list tops and t-shirts. While others think that it's better to list every specific kind of t-shirt. So you could do t-shirt, moisture wicking t-shirt, tight fit t-shirts, long sleeve t-shirts. There's really no consensus about what is the better way to do it, whether it's just list the broad categories or list the broad categories and the individual categories or just list the individual categories. At Granite Trademark Services, we think the best practice is to list the broad categories and list the individual categories. If you have any questions about selecting the proper goods and or services or any questions about the classification system, please feel free to reach out to Granite Trademark Services. Thank you and have a good